So in this particular concept, we'll discuss operator overloading. Now before starting this concept, I hope that all of you have come across this concept called complex numbers. In complex numbers, there are two parts. One is a real part and another is your imaginary part. Okay. We have declared a class name as complex. Here is a private. Here we have a real and imaginary variables. Then we have public. Here we are initializing the values for r and I as 0. Then we are declaring as what is r gets stored in real and I gets stored in image. Okay. Basically, in operator overloading, we are teaching the user defined objects how to add the numbers in complex numbers. Okay. Basically, this is the core concept of operator overloading, where the class concept operator plus complex constant and object, we are passing some parameters. In this particular line, class complex res, in order to understand these two lines, you have to come here. Yeah. So in the complex numbers, this is the real part, this is the imaginary part. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. Usually the compiler does a line by line compilation of the program, but here we have to tell it using operator overloading how to add complex numbers. It usually goes like this. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is 8. Again, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. These values are stored in res. Here in res real, real plus object dot real, in res image, image dot object dot image, and then you'll return the res value. After all that, you'll display I and R. You'll display the real part as well as the image part in void print. Okay. In this main function, again, these are the values of the complex number 3, 5, and 5, 5. Basically 3 and plus 5 and 5 plus 5. Where usually you'll get the value as 8 plus item. Check it here. As you can see, it's I plus 8 plus I10. Here we can change the values as well. Suppose here, if I put, let's say 6, what is 6 plus 5? 11. And what is 5 plus 2? Around 7. So 11 plus I7. So hope you've got the concept.